I've already ran my snowblower through this. This is how much snow's came down since. Snowing pretty good right now. I'm saving my snowblower for tomorrow. I'll use it in the end of the driveway and the mailbox across the road, because I'm sure that will be buried by the plow truck. Yeah, it's supposed to snow overnight, all of Sunday, the whole entire day. Holy cow, no wonder I'm cold and my nose is running. It's nearly -10 out here. Jesus, when is spring coming? So one of my new chores is keeping the snow off this Shelter Logic tent. They don't like the weight of snow on them. So I have to come out and knock it off here every now and then. Good morning. This is the next day. I'll move this so I can talk. This is the next day, Sunday. There's a lot more snow, as you can see. A lot of snow has come down overnight. This is roughly how much came down. It's a good chunk of it. So today, I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is this. Clean off this shelter. It's got a lot of weight on it already. And I'll have to dig out the sides. So let's get at that. I have to go get my shovel and my snow rake. That'll be first. Then I'll worry about the driveway. I try to do that as gently as I can. It's a nice smooth edge on this, so it shouldn't hurt the tarp. It's my only option. You can go inside and push it from inside, but it doesn't all come off. Now I have to dig out the sides a bit, because the walls get heavy. I had that all cleared out yesterday, but now it looks like I've never touched it all winter. So anyways, let's get at that. So yeah, that's the idea. And that should be fine. I may have to come back and do that again if the snow doesn't let up. These shelters don't take a lot of weight. They will collapse. I don't know how well you can see from here, but I just raked a lot of snow off my roof. There's at least 2 feet up there. I don't know how this roof is constructed, so I was a little worried about the weight. I got as much as I could off the other side and this side. I can't reach the peak. This thing here, snow rake or roof rake, it only extends 30 feet. And I was on a ladder to boot. I still couldn't reach it, but I got my chimney cleared. It was starting to surround my chimney, which it shouldn't have. That's warm. Anyways, this is the snow that came off the roof. So there's a pile here, completely buried the door. I just dug that out. All of that's off the roof, most of it I should say, and some of that is off the roof. So really, some spots up there is drifted 3 feet thick, or 3 feet deep. I've been using this a lot today. It's holding together for me. Haven't blown a belt, haven't broke anything yet. It's doing good. So I've been at this, I forget when I come out here, 11 a.m. I'm just about done. I'm old. I'm 56 years old. I'm not 21 anymore. I'll do the rest tomorrow. I've got my driveway done. I raked to the roof. Did all my porches. Car shelters cleared, so I don't have to worry about it caving in. The rest can wait till tomorrow because I need lunch and I'm beat. This is crazy. There's a lot of snow. A lot of snow this year. Sick and tired of it. It's not fun anymore. Remembered I left a gas can in here. I should put it away. The old car is nice and dry and clean in here though. Out of the weather. I miss this car. Spring can't come soon enough. Anyways. See if I can do this one-handed here. Don't dare spill any of this stuff. It's like the price of gold these days. I can do it one-handed. Surprise myself. There we go. So yeah, I give up.